Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Come home to this beautiful 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom, well fruited, approximately 1 acre home located in Hanover. The ground floor contains 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, open concept living and dining, linen closet, in-unit laundry, family room, attic, rear patio, and an enormous front patio, walk-in closet, kitchen, glass enclosed shower, vanity units, and 2 vehicle garage with ample storage. There is a self-contained apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept living, dining area, kitchen, in-unit laundry, storage room, and front patio. Ideal for investment. House is being sold with washer, dryer, deep freezer, stove and refrigerator, hot water heaters and tanks and roof. The land area of this house is approximately 45,407 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 275,000 or Jamaican $42.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.